I wanted to shoot you guys a quick email about these fractions here because we had a bit of trouble in class today, and I'm sure that you'll run into a few questions at home tonight. So first off, let me just say that some of these problems that we're working on right now do go a little bit beyond what we're expected to do in third grade. So if they're having a little bit of trouble, don't get too concerned about it. But it is an important skill that they will be expected to do in fourth and fifth grade and beyond. So I don't think it's all bad that we spend some time on it. The things they are going to have to do in third grade, they will have to do these things on the test, are adding these fractions, identifying fractions, and finding equivalent fractions, which is really what we're doing when we're trying to solve a problem like these that have different denominators. Kids have no trouble adding these fractions when the denominators are the same, but when they're different, they run into a few more issues. So let's take a problem like number 9 here and talk about how we would solve that. The first thing we have to do is decide what denominator we're going to use, since thirds and fourths can't be added together. So I'm hoping that they'll figure out that it can be twelfths. Really any number that these two are both a factor of or can both go into will work. So in order to change 2/3 into twelfths, I have to ask myself, well, what am I really doing here? Well, I'm multiplying. I'm multiplying times what? So if I'm multiplying this times 4, that means I have to multiply this times 4. So 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. I have to do the same thing with 1/4. This time, when I'm going to twelfths, I'm doing a different operation. Now I'm multiplying times 3. Now if I do it to the bottom, I have to do it to the top. So 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. Now I can rewrite my problem as 8/12 plus 3/12, which is 11/12. Again, this does go a little bit beyond what we're expected to do in third grade, so if you're finding that you're spending 45 minutes on this tonight, just stop, skip it, write me a little note, no biggie. We'll keep working on it here at school. Just know that this is not something they're going to be tested on, but it is good for them to be exposed to.